Hi, Renetta.
Hello.
All right. Can you tell us how you felt when you first came in to see us?
Oh, I hate to even think about it. I know that I was very lethargic, very, very shaky, nervous, unsteady, and I had no energy at all. But worse than that, I was depressed a lot, and my hair was falling out, and I just, overall, was just a pretty miserable person.
You had a lot going
Health-wise.
on. Well, since you started with us, which was over a year ago, from 0 to 100%, what percentage better are you right now?
I can tell you, but not only from me, but my family, my friends, my coworkers, everyone says I'm 100+% better.
Hey, 100 plus, that's awesome. What advice would you have, if any, for any patients that may be thinking about coming in?
Oh my, just do it. Just decide and do it.
Just like
That's-
Nike.
That's right.
Just do it.
I was referred, and I think it took me a long time to make the call because I was just so exhausted all the time. But in reality, nothing better has happened to me in a long, long time. I got off of chemo. I got off of 18 other medications that were not doing my body any good at all. So I feel very blessed to be here.
That is awesome. Would I have your permission to use this video testimonial to help other patients?
Sure, absolutely.
Thank you.